You have an Apple ID. Now you purchased a new Apple device. Now let's see how we can use the same email or Apple ID and password to log in our device. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to click the Apple menu of our new device, and very shortly it will be opened like this. From here we have to choose system settings. Then there is sign in button. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will be like that. Here there is an option, it is called email or phone number. So here we just need to type the email address of our Apple ID. So I'm going to type the email like iCloud account, and then I'm going to hit the continue button. Now it is asking the password, so I'm going to type the password of my account and then press the continue button. Once we correctly typed our email and password, it will show us a panel where we need to put a code to verify this device. So I'm going to type the code for this laptop or this MacBook, and then if the verification code is fine, then we'll be signed in automatically with this account, and very shortly we will see our name and our Apple ID, everything is there. Now it is asking like verify one more time, so I'm going to type the Apple the Mac password here and then press the continue button, and it will be logged in. And that's it. In this way we can easily log in our new Apple device by using our existing Apple ID and password.